Bubbly, what do you think is going to happen? All right, well, let's see what happens. In July was our Science Buddies program. Every Monday we met, and our teen volunteers, our wonderful teen volunteers, helped younger children complete some simple science experiments, kid-friendly science experiments. Today we did fizzy science, so we were adding vinegar to baking soda and ice. We made mini volcanoes, and at the end we made elephant toothpaste. All of these ideas were the teens' ideas.
It was really cool. The kids were nice, and we got to do fun experiments, and that's good to do for kids so that they develop an interest in science at a young age.
It's coming out! It's coming out! It's coming out! It's coming out!
We're giving our teen volunteers kind of leadership opportunities in the library. It gives our younger kids an opportunity to gain a mentor while they're here at the library, while doing some fun experiments and learning something too.
I wanted to do something this summer, so I decided to volunteer, and I like the science program.
I made a volcano and went.
They've had a really great time. Our younger ones have really connected with our teen volunteers, our young adult volunteers, community volunteers, and they've just had a blast.
I just think that it's a lot of fun to sort of work with kids and stuff. It's just like a really good opportunity.